Hello, this is Rahul from Group 3. Over the past week, I have worked on generating React code from the Figma prototype of our working demo. I worked on the pages of Course Finder, Recommender System output, Interest Profiler output, and also the actual Interest Profiler questions. Some of my teammates were also working on the remaining pages, and we have the entire prototype running and ready to go. As for the report, which is due today, I've worked on the user evaluation section and also made some changes to the user scenario section, which was done by one of my other teammates. I had some issues with the coding whereby the interactive elements and components weren't working properly, which I managed to fix. And yeah, that's what I've done for this week. Thank you.
Hello, Sanjay here from Group 3. So for this week, as per the suggestions from Andrew last week, we extracted a code from Figma and started working on creating a proper UI using React. So my part included doing the first 4 pages in for our application, including psychometric test, which we rename to interest test now, and till the preference output. Then we have Rahul and Rakshit did the entire flow of the website with the help from Mayuri, and we were able to integrate some interactive element in it. Like there were some issues in the start, but we were able to do it. And now we have a complete flow of our website ready in the front end, and in the back end we have recommender system ready, but we are yet to integrate it properly with the UI. So we will be doing it in the coming weeks. And for the sentiment analysis, we have a code ready. We just need to integrate it with the UI. And for the report, I worked on the technical problem part of the report, and I also helped Rahul and Rakshit and Mayuri for the user evaluation part and user scenario part. That's it from my side for this week. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. So for this week, I have worked on the recommendation part. So it's showing the recommendation of the college and the course, and which is showing on the website. For that, I have used Flask on that, and then I have worked on the dataset. Also, we have added further things in the dataset, and then on the UI part, I have worked on the front end part using React. There were 14 pages of Figma, so I have created 3 pages on that, and then today evening we will commit the code, and then the recommendation is also working properly. In future we will try to do more things on that. So that's all about me for this week. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rakshit Gonsalves and I am from Group 3. And in this week, one of the most important tasks we have done is creating the interim report. And in the report, I have been working with Sunwin to create the technical problem. Next thing is we worked a lot on the Figma and we generated the React code from the Figma prototype so that we could have our demo this week. For that, I have worked on the preferred course and college, interest profiler homepage, output of the recommender, and simulation of the course. So we hope to have a working demo done on that. I also scraped some data from Twitter to be used in the sentiment analysis. Hopefully we can create a dashboard later on or create some kinds of a chart that shows positive and negative sentiments. Then we also had issues with the technologies. I've never worked with Node.js, so I never knew. So we did some changes. It kind of works now. Hopefully it will be better next week. And also next week we are planning to make it more data focused and less UI focused, so that we can build up the bulk in our data set and generate the recommendations more accurately. So that's it for this week. Thank you.
Hello everyone, so my name is Siddesh Patil and I'm from Group 3 for the data. So for this week, in the initial week, I have started exploring the TU Dublin website, and I have noted down few of the links that are actually useful for that can be added as a feature in our website. So I have noted down and documented the links, all of them, and then later on, as the interim project report is due this week, so I have started working on my part as the technical solutions part, and then later on I have also worked on the conclusion plan, which is a part of this interim report and the presentation as well. So yeah, that's all from my side, and thank you.
Hi, this is Mehul from Group 3. This week I was working on the project report technical solutions part and the conclusion part, and I was focusing on making the UIs in the React. We already have Figma developed by our team members, so I'm trying to convert those screens into actual web application. And for a while I was stuck using Redux. I'm not very much comfortable using Redux, so I was researching on the documentations, how we use Redux and integrate in our application. So pretty much it, I'm working on the report. Thank you.